you know me, you've already seen my face reveal. Today we are doing a honk if you're happy e-poster. You're about to see Queen and Mace. Let's start with Queen.
Hey guys, go to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it below, so yeah.
And then here's Mace Girl 14. She's been a...
Hi.
Okay.
Go to my channel. You didn't even let me speak.
He's the baby twin. He's baby twin.
Oh!
They're gonna go that way.
Yeah, we don't get really a lot of people out here, guys.
Hi.
Don't mind the boots
twin.
right there.
Baby twin.
Here's baby Mace.
How about we do this?
Baby twin.
I'm gonna throw
Baby
this
twin.
sign,
Baby
and I'm just
twin.
gonna catch it, and then I'm gonna do like a flip.
No, because they won't see the sign. Okay, so guys, we only have like 6 minutes recording of this, so it might stop. I won't have time to do shout-outs or say that it's it for today. So let me just say that it's it for today. Shout out to our Queen Mace. So that's all I want to say for now, just in case the video cuts off. We're going to unpause when we see a car.
No, it wasn't in my.
Honk if you're happy. Woo-hoo.
Honk if you're happy.
Honk if you're happy. Please.
Hello, everyone. Please honk.
I should have thrown it better. Okay.
Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy.
Shaw.
Oh, we know her.
Shaw.
Wow, hello.
I knew it was her.
Well, at least they honked if they were happy.
They didn't honk.
Well, they didn't honk, but they smiled at least.
Can you say hi?
We're gonna probably try at least one more person. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy.
What are you doing?
We're putting up a sign that says honk if you're happy.
See you next week. Yay! We got someone. Wow! That was good, guys.
Honk if you're happy, everybody.